Now see the fifth lesson, information processing. Okay, so take the book all of page number 81. Okay, the sixth unit, information processing. Okay, so take the page number 81 and see the introduction. Okay, put the finger and line by line. Okay, the main aim of information processing is enable the learners to count, compare. The main aim of information processing is to enable the learners to count, compare and assume information such as inviters coming to attend a birthday party, sort out the library books, food production, the number of people taking food in the midday meal scheme and the various occupations of the parents. Okay. The information processing means some collection of data. Collection of data. Okay. So next give some example. See the same page number 81. The example. Okay, take the page number 81 and see the example. First one, the teacher asked a student named Dinu to collect the pictures of his favorite sports articles, and Dinu collected the sum and handed it over to the teacher quickly. Let us see how it's possible for him to do it quickly. Okay, Dinu collected these pictures, some sports articles. Okay, so how to find it quickly? Let us see how it's possible. Teacher over quickly. Okay, how it's possible? So first put the column. Then he tabled the same out as follows. Then the teacher asked the question to classify the details of sports articles. Okay, see this picture. So many bats and carom board and volleyball and hockey stick. Okay, how to classify easily? Take the page number 82 and first sports articles. Okay, bat. Next volleyball. Next carom board. Hockey stick. Now see take the page number 81. Count the bat how much? Okay, how many bats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bats. Next, the same type. How many volleyball? Ball, 10 volleyball. And how many carom board? 8 carom board. And how many sticks? 10 hockey sticks. Okay. Now some question asked is, I say the answer, you take the pencil and write it. Let us know what the teacher asked Dinu. The first question, find the total number of picture. Total number of picture, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one answer, 4 picture. Next one, how many students like cricket bat? How many students like cricket bat? 7. Next, third one, how many students like football? How many football? 10 football. So this first one answer, second one answer, third one answer. Next, fourth one, how many students draw carom board? How many students? 8. The last one, fifth one, how many students like hockey stick? How many students? 10 students like hockey sticks. Okay. Now see that 6.1, systematic listing. The information processing, so many methods. So first see the systematic listing. This is a small puzzle play. Okay. Number puzzle is considered to be one of the unique games in the mathematics. Already you know number puzzles. Okay. These types of games create more interest and involvement to learn mathematics in a very easy manner. It is very happy to note that most of number puzzle contain the basic knowledge of mathematics. Now we play the small game. Okay. First one, you assume any one number. Okay, you assume any one number. Take the rough note and pencil. First you assume any one number. I assume one number 2. Okay, you assume any one number. You write your note. Next, add the next number to this. Add the next number to this. The 2 after 3. So I got the answer 5. Okay, you assume the number then plus or the next number, next this number, okay, so 5. Next, then add 9. Already you got answer 1, so plus 9. How much? I assume the number 2. 2 after 3, 5, and which 5 plus 9, 14. You assume any one number and add the another number, you got the answer. That answer plus 9. Okay, and then write your answer. My answer 14. What's your answer? You write it. Next, then divide 2. Divide 2. 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. So the answer is, my answer 7. Next, and then subtract the assumed number. My assumed number is 2. So subtract this number. 7 minus 2. The answer is 5. Okay. So your answer also 5. This is not my answer. Okay. Your answer also 5. This is a small game. Next, the above let us know. See the small box, let us know. Okay. And the above diagram shows rows and columns. Which is row, which is column. Which is row and which is column. Already given clearly. The horizontal squares are called rows. Which is one horizontal? This is horizontal. These horizontal rows. So this is horizontal squares are rows. And vertical. Which one is vertical? This is a vertical square. This is column. Column. Okay. The horizontal squares are called rows and the vertical squares are column. Okay. Next comes to the exercise 6.1. Okay. Some sums are given. Now find the answer. Page number 84. Exercise 6.1. First one. The 3 boxes is given. Take your pencil and your book and write the answer. Follow me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Fill the gap. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 2, 2. Okay, now write the answer. Take your pencil and follow it right, ma'am. And the A, first one, fill in the suitable number in the box. First one is ascending order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next, second one. Already given only 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now write the 3, 2, 1, 3 and 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. 9 plus 14, 14, 16, 17. Okay, now see the 3 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. The same. 3 plus 2, 6, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 2 plus 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. The same. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. The same answer are 6, 6, 6. This is a 1. This is a one game. Okay, the game name is Sodaku. Next third song. 2, 1, 3 and 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. The same type. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6, 6 and the same 6. Okay, you add the horizontal square box and vertical square box, you get the same number. Okay, the next fourth sum 3 2 1 1 2 3 and 2 1 3, the same answer. Okay, the first one only changed it. First one only fill the numbers. The second, third, fourth are one small game. Okay. The next B1. Solve 3 into 3 magic square using the numbers 1 to 9. See carefully. The answer is given, but you arrange the number. Fifteen, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. You arrange the number 1 to 9. Okay, this box. But get the answer, the horizontal square also or vertical square also, get the answer 15. Okay, now arrange the number 6, 1, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 9, 4. Now check the answer. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 15. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. And 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Okay. The second one B also completed. Next is C. Complete the following 4 into 4 Sudoku using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The number already given, only the fill the box. 4 boxes, 4 into 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. The number only 1, 2, 3, 4. And the get the answer also same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. Now add the number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Now decide. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. All of same. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay, you fill the number same way. Or you multiply the vertically square box or horizontally square box, get the same answer. Okay. Next two sum for you, dears. Okay, fill the number carefully and get the answer. Both sides are equal. Next, D. Can you spot the duplicate? Can you spot the duplicate? D, E, F. The question already given. D, E, F. E, F, D. F, D, E. E, F, D. F, E, D. D, E, F. E, D, F. Okay, the only A, B, C, D, E, F only interchanging the place. Okay, which one is the duplicate? D, E, F. E, F, D, E, F, D repeated 2 times. So, E, F, D only duplicate. So, the answer is E, F, D. Next, E. Can you find mistake? Explain. A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A. The B, A, A only repeated 2 times. Okay, the answer is B, A, A because others only 1 time. A, B, C repeated 1 time only, but B, A only 2 times. So, 2 letters are same. 2 letters are same. Okay, the next take the page number 85. Graphical representation of data. Already I told the first information processing means some collection of data. Okay, now graphical representation of data. Collection of two-dimensional quantitative data. Now see this topic, collection of two-dimensional quantitative data. The easy method to calculate is tabulate the collected two-dimensional information and represent in these pictures. For example, take the one box put the so many things. You see the so many things: ball, badge, or box. Okay, so many pictures inside the box. How to calculate? First you tabulate. Okay, and bat, ball, and so many articles. Okay, and collection of data is easy way to calculate. So this is the information processing. Now take the page number 85. Example 1. Sports day celebration. After the sports day celebration, the students kept all the used sports article in a room. The physical director asked the students, Dinesh and Ganesh, from 5th standard to arrange the sports article in order. The tabulate the sports article as below. Okay. See the pictures. So many articles are given here. Which is hockey ball, bat, hockey stick, bat, ball and rope and football. Then okay, let's see the how arranged in a proper way. First the same. First you put the table column. Okay, shapes. Okay, here shapes. Don't write the sports article. Shapes. First one. Then ball to ball and this is rope. Okay, next hockey stick, volleyball and bat. And what is I know net and rope. Okay, so how many numbers? Count and write these numbers. 4, 1, 2, 6, 11 hockey sticks, 2 balls and 10 ropes, 1 net. Okay, so rows and see the note. Rows are horizontal arrangements, whereas column are vertical arrangements. Already you know I told. Okay, which one is the horizontal, which one is the vertical? Already I told. Next, let us know the process of arranging classified data in table from this known as tabulation. This is tabulation. Okay, arranging the data properly is called the tabulation. Next. Take the page number 86. See the activity. First one. In a sports day celebration, the 5th standard students were given a competition of collection mathematical shapes. Saguntala Devi team won the competition. Okay. Now see the picture. Triangle, circle and rectangle, square. Okay. This only triangle, circle, rectangle and a square. Okay, this only here. Can you make rectangle using the triangle taken from your square? Okay. Now let us count the shapes collected by winning team. Shapes and the numbers. First, shapes and numbers. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Okay. Above, see the above pictures and collect and count the how many triangle and write 14 triangle. Next, how many rectangle? 11 rectangle. Next, how many circle? 13 circle and 4 square. Okay. Next, see the second activity. Prabhu would like to represent some gift on his birthday party. He collected the details from his parents. Friend's name, favorite item, friend's name and favorite item. Okay. Using, see this and write the answer. Items. How many items? Pencil box. The item means favorite items. Only write the pencil box, pen, eraser, pencil, scale, water bottle and color pencil. And how many numbers? And you count and write these. box. Okay, this box. Next, activity 2 also you read the questions 1 or 2 times and write the answer. Okay. Next, take the page number 88, 6.2b pictograph. 6.2b pictograph. Pictograph means you are collect some data. Collection of data in diagram. Okay, collection of data in diagram. Now see the page number 88 pictograph. Information can be easily understood when they are represented in pictures. Okay, the pictograph only collected pictures. A pictograph is the representation of data using pictures. Okay, underline this line. A pictograph is the representation of data using pictures. The pictograph means your collection of data in pictures. Pictograph represent the frequency of data by using symbols or images what are referent to the data. Your collection of some data, bar pictures, any one pictures, smiley or any shapes or star shapes and images, okay, that are represented to the data. This is one of the simplest way to represent data. Next, for example, this is, see the example. This is information collected from 150 students about their favorite subject. Make a pictograph based on it. This is question, this subject and the number of students. Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social. 25, 20, 55, 35, 15. This only question. This is a collection of data. Okay. Subject Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social. Number of students 25, 20, 55, 35, 15. Okay. Now you draw the pictograph. Pictograph means your collection of data in pictures. Okay. So now subject and number of students. Which pictures? The smiley pictures. Each one 5. Each one 5 students. Okay. Here how many? 25. Tamil 25. About how many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many? 5. 5 pictures. Next, English. How much? 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Because I already given each one 5 students. Here 5, 10, 15, 20. Next, maths. 55. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Next, science, how much? 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35 only. Next, social, 5, 10, 15. Okay. The collection of data represented in pictures is called the pictograph. Next. Take the page number 689, exercise 6.2b. Page number 89, exercise 6.2b. See the first one. The following table show the weight of paddy cultivator in a particular village between 2010 to 15. Already given paddy production year 2010. Each one 100 kilogram. Okay. So the 2010, how many kilogram? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 2010 500, 2011 400, 2012 300, 2013 200, 14 300, 15 200. This is only question. Now observe the pictograph. This is a pictograph because represented in the picture. So paddy cultivator. So give the picture paddy. Next, observe the pictograph and answer the following question. First question, in which year the paddy production was maximum? Take your page, the page number 89. See the first one, in which year the paddy production was maximum? Which one is the maximum? First one, second one, third one, fourth. First one is the maximum. So the answer is the first one. The first one answer 2010 because this one only 500 kilogram. Next, in which years the paddy production were equal? 2013 and in which years the paddy production were equal? See the picture, 2012 and 14. The second one, 2012 and 2014, comma, 2013 and 2015. 2013 and 2014 300 kilogram and 2013 and 2014 200 kilogram. Okay, next, find the third one. Find the paddy production in 2015 200 kilogram. 2015 200 kilogram. Next, fourth one. Find the total quantity of paddy production 2013, 14, 15. See your book, 2013, 14, 15, 200, 500, 700 kg. Next, over the first question. Next is the second question. The total number of people studying in class 5 are as follows. The total number of people studying in the class 5th standard GHS Government High Secondary School 1000 people. Okay, the second question. GHS, how much people? 1000 people. Next, PUPS 200 peoples. Peoples means students. Boys High Secondary School 400. 5th standard years PUMS 400 and private nursery school 800. Now say the answer. The first question. Prepare a pictograph using the symbol to represent 100 peoples and answer the following question. Now prepare the pictograph. School name and students or peoples. Okay. GHSS, PUPS, BHSS, PUMS and private nursery school. Okay. Now draw any one already given the represent 100 people smile. Okay. So 1000. Each one represent 100. So how many smile? Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because 10 hundreds are 1000. 10 hundreds are 1000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay, this is a pictograph. Representing the data in picture is called pictograph. Next, PUPS 200. So only two diagram. Next 400. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 400. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 800. This is a pictograph. Now say the answer, the first one. Which school has maximum number of pupils? First one answer. Which school maximum number of, which one? 1000. So first one GHSS. The second one. Which school has the least number of pupils? Which school least number? 200. PUPS. Next time. Take the page number. That's all. That's a 2 question only. The next one, take the page number 90, 6.2c, graphical representation of data. Graphical representation means tally mark. The pictograph only drawing picture, the same graphical representation of data. Next thing, tally marks. Okay, take the page number 90 and see the 6.2c, graphical representation of data. Any collection of information in the form of numerical figures giving the required information is called data. Okay, any collection of information in the form of numerical figures giving the required information is called data. Okay, in olden days, primitive man used to count and verify his leaf sticks using stones. Okay, this is the first data gathering method. Nowadays we use many methods to collect information. The most efficient method is to keep a tally stick. Okay, now see the tally stick. First one example, an information was collected about the number of vehicles which crossed a school on a particular time. One is called a tally mark. It is difficult to count if there are more number of tally marks. Therefore, to make it easier to count, we change it as follows. How to draw the tally marks? Here, first one, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, this is 1, this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And straight line is also 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is a tally mark. This is olden days. Okay, in olden days, primitive man used to count, verify with leaf stick using stone method. Now, first data gathering method. This is okay. Now, see the tally mark. This is a tally mark. 1. Take the page number 90. Is given 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11 also is given. Okay. Now, car. See the box. Car. How much? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is given the question. Okay, now write the answer. The solution. Solution box. Car, vehicles, tally. Vehicles, tally marks. Number of vehicles. Vehicles, car, van, lorry, two-wheelers and a bus. Okay. Already given the question. This is car how much, van how much, lorry, two-wheelers, bus. You count these numbers and write the tally mark. Car 11 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of vehicles 11. Next van. Count the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a tally mark. Okay. Next. Lorry 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next two-wheeler. Count it. 12. 12, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next bus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is next is the question. Answer the following question. Which vehicle crossed the school maximum in number? Maximum number 13. Lorry. Next, find the total number of vehicles crossed the particular time. Count it all numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the total vehicles crossed in particular time 47. Okay. This is a graphical representation of data in tally sheet. Next, take the page number 93, bar diagram, bar graph, 6.2D bar graph. Bar graph. Bar graph means you draw. Bar graph is a chart that uses bars to show comparison between categories of data. The bar can either be horizontal or vertical. First one see the pictograph. Pictograph is shown the data in picture. Next one tally mark is show the numbers in tally marks. Next one bar graph means you say the answer in collection of data in bar graph. Okay, this is horizontal or vertical. This is a bar graph. Okay, now see one question. So now see the one example of bar graph. The first example, the page number 93, the number of things sold in a month, January in a particular shop is shown given below. Draw bar graph. Home applications things given: refrigerator, television, washing machine, cooler and radio. Refrigerator 75 and television 45, washing machine 30, cooler 60, radio 30. Refrigerator 75, television 45, washing machine 30 and cooler 60, radio 30. Now draw the bar graph. Because this is a bar graph sum, so bar graph. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, here refrigerator, television, washing machine, cooler, refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator how much? 75. 75 is between 70 to 80. So this is a refrigerator bar diagram. Next thing, television how much? 45. 45 is between 40 and 50. Next washing machine 30. Exact 30. Next cooler 60. Next one radio 30. Okay, this is a bar graph. Now see the exercise page number 95, exercise 6.2c. Exercise 6.2c. The first one, the bar chart represents the number of students using different modes of transport. Answer the following questions. First, the bar graph is given. Number of students, cycle, walk, car, bus, mode of transportations. The first one, which mode of transport is mostly used by the students? Take the page 95 and see the first question and say the answer. The first one, which is more? The 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Cycle how much? 50 students. And walk 40 students. Cycle 50 students. Walk 40 students. Car 30 students. And bus 40 students. Okay. So first question, which mode of transport is used mostly used the students? Which one? Cycle. So the first one answer cycle. Next, second one, how many students come to school by walking? How many students? 40 students. Next, which mode of transport is used to least? Which one least? 30. So answer is car. Fourth one, how many students come by bus? 40 students. Okay. The second question B, the following information shown in the grades in science and maths of 30 students. Now say the answer. The question asks, how many students got same grades in both the subject? Maths and science grade is given. Okay. The both grade, how many students got same grades in both subject? How many? Which science and maths? Which grade the both? A only. The answer is 2. The first one answer is, the second question, the first one answer is 2. Okay. The 2 only is the, how many students got the same grades both? No, 2 students only got the same grade in science and maths. Okay. The second question, how many students got a higher grade in science than in maths? How many students got a higher grade in science than in maths? 8 students. How many students? 8 students. Next, third one, which was the most common grade in science? Science term, which is, how many students got the more grade? C. Next, take the page number 96. C1. Mr. Dinesh collected the information about the rainfall of a particular city in a week from the newspaper and recorded his information in the pictograph. The pictograph already given. Now say the answer only. Okay. One, which day the rain was most? See the Sunday. Each drop 2 milliliters. Okay. Each drop 2 milliliters. So Sunday how many milliliters? 6 milliliters. Sunday 6 milliliters. Next Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 milliliter. Tuesday 10 milliliter. Wednesday 6 milliliter. Thursday 8 milliliters. And Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 milliliter. And Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 milliliter. Okay, this is a pictograph. One, which day the rain was the most? Which day? 20 milliliter. So the first one answer is Friday. The second one, on which day the rain was least? Which day? 6, 12, 10, 6, 8, 6. So Sunday. Third one, how much rain was there on Sunday? Sunday how much? 6 milliliter. Then fourth one, how much rain was there on Monday? Monday how much? 12 milliliter. Then fifth one, find the total rainfall of the city in the week. How much total? 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 38, 4 plus 10, 44. 44, 54, 56, 57. Sorry, find the total rainfall of the city in that week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 37 to the 74 milliliter. So the last fourth one answer 74 milliliter. Okay. Next D1 for you. Okay. The fifth lesson information processing are completed. The first term also completed. Next meet the second term. Thank you students.